In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage roles in Slack. Managing roles is an important part of keeping your Slack workspace organized, secure, and easy to use, especially if you're an owner, an admin, or someone who helps manage your team's tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click in order to view and adjust roles for your workspace. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace in your browser or desktop app. It helps to double check that you're using an account with the right level of access, such as a workspace owner or admin, because some role management options may not appear for regular members. Once you're in Slack, look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where your sidebar lives, and it usually shows channels, direct messages, and a few important controls. In that left sidebar, you'll want to find and click on the section related to administration or workspace settings. Depending on your version of Slack and your permissions, this might appear as an admin option, workspace admin, or something similar that clearly indicates workspace administration. Go ahead and click on that admin area in the left side of your screen. When you do, Slack will open a new panel or window with various options that let you configure and fine-tune how your workspace behaves. This is where you can access billing, settings, user management, and of course, roles. From this admin section, look for the option labeled Manage Roles, or a closely related term. It's usually placed alongside other user or permission settings. Click on Manage Roles. This will take you to the central place where you can review which roles exist in your workspace, and if your plan allows it, adjust or assign them. On the Manage Roles page, you'll typically see a list of roles and who holds them. Here, you can confirm that the right people have the right level of access. For example, you might want only a few trusted people to have full admin powers, while others might have more limited roles tailored to their responsibilities. Take a moment to review these carefully and make changes only when you're sure they're needed, and that's it. By clicking on the admin section on the left side and then selecting Manage Roles, you can quickly access and control role settings for your Slack workspace.